What's up, Sarsaparillas? It's your girl Sassy J, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Today I have an unboxing video for you, and let me just say this video has been so delayed because I was sent some goodies from Tivisiy, and you guys know I wasn't posting. I've already explained why in my previous video, but I do want to apologize to Tivisiy for the delay in this video. But anyways, guys, Tivisiy sent me some goodies. Tivisiy is part of the Hyde Park retailer, and all the 3D carvings are original designs from the Hyde Park retailer designers, okay? So I'm gonna open this. I tried to open a part of it, guys, but I didn't actually go into it. So I'm just gonna show you what I was sent. I think from memory, I remember ordering a light, but I can't exactly be sure. But anyways, guys, they come like this. It's all wrapped up. I think I ordered 3 things. So it's all bubble wrap, so it's protected, okay? But guys, I think I ordered 3 things, you know. But anyways, guys, while I unbox this, if you're new to my channel, I don't remember if I've said it already, but if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a new video. My lighting, it's been a nightmare today, guys. I just cannot deal. I actually want to swear, but I'm going to be a good girl because Sunday was yesterday and we're trying to get to heaven, child, okay? We're trying to get to heaven. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to somehow fix this lighting in the editing process because, child, it's trying me. It is trying me. But anyways, guys, let's get into it. So I ordered 3 things. I see 2 things here, so I'm going to have to work it out. But you know what? Let me start with this. Let me start with this one. So this one, I believe, let me open it up. This one was a 3D light. Let me open it. I'm trying to open it, guys. Oh, see? Oh my God, look. And the thing is, what I like about the Tivisiy is that they have 2 different types. I think you got the LED one with the LED lights and the one without the LED lights for the stuff. This one, because I'm such a lovey person, I decided to get the LED one, and it says love. Now these can be really good gifts for, like, you know, somebody that just got married or a couple, some kind of couple gift. But you know, I'm so nuff. It's all about me. Well, I am the Mr. and the Mrs. in this, okay? And it's very small. You can't even see it, but well, you can see the Mr. and Mrs. I'm not here. I still like it. But yes, guys, so this is the one that I chose. Oh, I see the 3rd gift now. And it comes with this little card inside. And it's just giving you details of who they are. I'm going to actually plug this in so you can see what this looks like once it's on. I think the good thing about this, see Hyde Park, guys, see? Hyde Park, that's what I was talking about. But yeah, I quite like this. This is something I plan to put on my night table because if it's got the LED lights and it lights up, you know, it can replace a little lamp light, or you can put it next to your lamp light. But I think it's a really nice design and it's really cute. I love it. I'm all about love as well, guys. If you're into art decor, I think this place is the best place to go to have a look. They do even stuff for gardens and they do some jewelry as well. I think I did get a ring and I can see it in this box. See, have a look. See, that's my little ring that I ordered in this box as well. So I was wondering, I'm sure I ordered 3 things, but I saw 2. But anyways, guys, so yes, I'm gonna have a little read of this card and see what it says. Okay, so this is just giving you details about the brand. Oh, and they say better planet, better life. We're on our way. So obviously, you know that they care about the planet, guys. These people do care about the planet, and they care about wild animals and the environment and all that kind of stuff. So they say, who are we, right? Hyde Park is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-orientated designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment and on our planet, and as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place, guys. Oh, that's so cute. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled. Oh my gosh, recycled wood? Shut up. Okay, let me finish read. Everything we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we are committed to giving non-profit organizations to help make this planet a better place, which is why they say better planet, better life. I like this. I think this is really cute. I like this. But anyways, guys, so I'm going to plug this in towards the end so you can actually see what that light looks like. But I actually do love this. I think this is my favorite thing that I've purchased. Also, I've got to let you guys know you do get a discount if you use a Sassy discount code. I'm put a pic here, Sassy 15. You can get some money off as well. I'm going to put the link for the website in the description box as well as with the discount code. So if you're interested, guys, go have a look in the description box. So this is the ring that I ordered. Now, I have a big thing when it comes to rings. I mean, it's like I'm waiting for somebody to pop the question. This is an engagement ring. And let me have a look at this. I don't know if it's going to fit me, but let me show you the box again, guys. Nice gray box, really cute. Nice little gift. Let me see whether this will fit. But we're worried about sizing. It says E4 to 2. I don't know anything about ring sizing, but guys, if y'all know, then I'll just put it there so you guys can see. Okay, so that fits, but let me show you guys. That can be adjustable. Do you see? You can adjust that. I'm gonna adjust it just a little bit. Guys, ignore my fingers. I got curry. I made curry chicken yesterday. I still got the curry stain on my fingernails. But anyways, I'm gonna put this on the finger. They say you should never put a ring on unless it's I can't deal with me. But listen, guys, they say you shouldn't wear a ring on your engagement finger unless you're engaged. But I'm not superstitious, so I be putting it on there regardless. So that's what that looks like. I really do love this. And I think it's 1.5 carats or something. I remember seeing it. I can't actually remember. I'll put it up here to correct myself if I'm wrong. But this is so cute, isn't it, guys? And it's adjustable, which I'm glad because I got chubby fingers. I got chubby sausage fingers. So I'm really glad about that. Let me adjust it that a little bit more because it's a little bit tight. So I'm going to pull that a little bit. I think that should be fine. Yeah. It should be fine, guys. Now it's fine. The third item I got, and when I saw this, I actually thought this was bigger, but I also read on their website that the more popular products, you can get them in mega sizes or like a big larger size. This is the box that comes in. This is a 3D visualization lamp. Okay, so this one is it's like a heart. I don't know if you can see it. Let me put it together. So this is also a light, and I actually bought this because I thought this would be a nice, cute light next to like on the bedside table. So it has some little writings on there. See, because my lighting's on, let me turn that off a little bit. I don't know if you can actually see it, if it makes it any difference. There's a little bit words on there. I don't think it's making a difference. Let me turn the light back on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also display what this looks like when it's actually on and the lamp light. And I think maybe you see the words a little bit better, but it just says I love you on there. And it has a little hearts and stuff. That, like I said, I thought it was bigger because it looks a bit bigger in the picture. The heart one, the love one, that looked the same size. So I knew that size was going to come like this. And I quite like that. But I thought this was going to be a bit bigger. But it is still cute. And it's just to give you, it's just put on your bedside table and give you a nice little light at night times or whatever. But I am going to show you guys what it looks like once it's on. So I want to say thank you so much to Tivisiy because I really appreciate that. And also your patience, I appreciate it as well. But guys, don't forget, I'm going to put the link to all these items in the description box as well as the Sassy 15. That will give you some money off. I'm going to put it right here as well. Sassy 15. So if you do like them, you want to try them out or you just want to have a little browse, you know, just check the description box for the link and it will take you directly to the products and to all the other beautiful products that they have on their site. But anyways, let me just give you a quick preview before I go of what it looks like with the light on. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys. I love you and I'll see y'all in my next video. But for now, you know what it is. Keep it sassy-licious. Bye, guys. So I am back because I forgot to show you guys this. That's the one thing I noticed with it. I wish this was a plug, but it's USB. But I'm gonna make it work anyways. I'm gonna plug it in anyways for you guys to see. But I do wish that it was a normal plug that I could just put in and just connect it. But we'll work something out. But that's what comes with it, USB. And obviously you get the light switch and stuff. But I'm gonna try and do something with it, guys. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But I just wanted to make sure you guys saw what it looks like, to how to plug in, because I don't want you guys to be like, oh, Sassy is not a plug, it's not a plug, da 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 da. But I wanted to show you guys so you've seen it. So now let me show you what it looks like with the lights. Okay, bye. Okay guys, and this is what the Love one with the LED lights look like once it's on. I absolutely love this. I'm not gonna lie to you, I absolutely love this. And I just keep this on my night table because during the night I've already got one best friend lamp light that I got from my bestie, but I also use this as well. So I think it's really, really cute. Look how nice it is with the lights. Guys, if you're gonna get this, get the one with the lights. It is worth it. Okay, y'all, and this is the I love you lamplight. You can see the wordings a lot better now. I love you. I would have loved this if it was a lot bigger, but you know what, it's fine. I'm gonna give this to my goddaughter and I know she'll absolutely love it. But yes guys, this is what they look like. You've already seen the love one once it's on, and this is the other one, the I love you one. Do you know what, I didn't even realize, I didn't plan it guys. I'm just such a love person. See, I end up choosing two things about love. What am I like? But anyways guys, remember I'm going to put the link for the website in the description box, as well as the code Sassy15. But anyways guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.